Welcome to the Relokia channel. Basecamp has been a trailblazer in team communication, and its leaders have redefined work culture. But is it still the right fit for you? In this video, we are counting down our top picks for the best Basecamp alternatives. And let us be clear, we have no special affection for any particular software. The appearance on this list is purely random. Number 1. Asana as a cutting-edge Basecamp alternative. It's a powerful project management software that offers an intuitive drag-and-drop system for managing tasks and tracking progress. Its task lists and Gantt chart features make it easy for teams to keep projects organized. And features like creative setup with organizations or workspaces views, video and audio recording for better communication, shortcuts on the mobile app for better functionality, adding tags and markers for easy navigation. Make Asana a popular choice for teams of all sizes. Number 2. Trello, a simple yet effective tool for project management. Known for its visual boards and easy-to-use interface, Trello lets you organize tasks into boards, lists, and cards. It's perfect for those who prefer a more visual and Kanban-style approach to project management. Plus, its integration options with other tools make it highly versatile. Trello offers small business owners individual and group task assignment and management, Kanban boards to streamline your task processes, built-in activity log with powerful notifications, drag-and-drop editing feature. Number 3. Wrike as an alternative to Basecamp. Wrike is another powerful alternative that excels in managing complex projects. With features like Gantt charts, real-time collaboration, and resource management, Wrike empowers teams to stay organized and deliver projects on time. Its robust reporting and analytics capabilities provide valuable insights for project tracking and optimization. Assigning tags to tasks and subtasks, editing options at project and task levels, real-time document editing, built-in chat app to communicate with team members. Number 4. ClickUp is a formidable alternative to Basecamp. ClickUp is a highly acclaimed project management platform that offers a plethora of features to enhance your productivity. From customizable dashboards and intuitive task management to goal tracking and automation, ClickUp has everything you need to streamline your projects and achieve success. Send and receive emails right within ClickUp tasks. 50 task automations to streamline your workflow. Reminders, notifications, and comments for more customization. Custom priorities to organize tasks. Number 5. Teamwork as an alternative to Basecamp. Let's not forget Teamwork, a comprehensive project management solution designed to streamline your workflows. With Teamwork, you can effortlessly manage tasks, communicate with your team, track progress, and collaborate in real time. Its extensive range of features like cross-project dependencies, powerful and heavily updated iOS and Android apps, invoicing and billing features, notification groups and SMS notifications. Make it a powerhouse for efficient project management. Number 6. Jira Software, a free and feature-rich Basecamp alternative. Last but not least, we have Jira Software, a highly popular tool for agile project management. Designed for software development teams, Jira Software offers comprehensive features for issue tracking, Scrum boards, and agile workflows. Its integrations with development tools and extensive customization options make it a go-to solution for agile teams. Expanded scope of tasks and projects. Practical filters to monitor tasks and issues. Internal ticketing system to track issues. Data exporting and reporting of progress. So, there you have it. 6 great alternatives to Basecamp for efficient project management. Do you know any other Basecamp alternatives that are worth considering? We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which alternative you think is the best fit for your business.